If you want to enhance your Yahoo Mail security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is secure. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Access account security settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then click on Account Security. Step 3. Review recent activity. In the Account Security section, look for an option that says Recent Activity or Managed Devices. Click on it to see a list of devices that have access to your Yahoo Mail account. Step 4. Identify old devices. Go through the list of devices and identify any that you no longer use or recognize. Take note of these devices for removal. Step 5. Remove old devices. Next to each old device, there should be an option to remove or sign out. Click on this option for each device you want to remove from your account. By following these steps, you can effectively remove old devices from your Yahoo Mail security settings, helping to keep your account safe. Regularly checking your account security is a good practice to maintain your online safety.